Hi, welcome back to hostboxcse channel and back to the tutorial for operating system. So this is a tutorial. We are going to see the topic called types of operating system, where we are see only about batch operating system. And previous session I explained about what is multitasking and multi-program as continued by the process states that concern new, etc. So please kindly watch the playlist. This is a tutorial definitely helpful for students who are preparing for the NTA competitive college level exam also. Let's see session today. You know, operating system one where always plays important role, where it kind of have a types like batch, multi-program, multitasking, real-time, distributed, clustered, and embedded also. We are going to see the first one called batch operating system, because whenever competitive exam there are some questions from here. So this here batch operating system one year of start from the year of 1950 and above, where this operating system what happened means here each user preparing his job on offline device like punch card. So important keyword is punch cards, and submit it to the computer operator. To speed up the process, the jobs are with similar needs are batched together and run as a group here. So this is a diagram where batch of system has job. If you have job like 1, 2, 3, 4, OS will be there and batch will be there and connect with the CPU here. And from this, you have to know what is batch. So batch means you can say simply a set of jobs with the similar needs. Set of jobs with the similar needs. For example, the batch 1 having 2 jobs, batch 3 having 4 jobs, batch 5 having 5 jobs and so on. And moreover, in this type of system, there is no direct interaction between user and the computer. These are the drawbacks of batch system also. Because it started one. Whenever OS developed, types of OS developed, this is starting point. Then the user has to submit a job on a return on cards or tap to a computer operator. Then the computer operator places the batch of several jobs on input device. And again repeating, jobs are batched together by type of languages under the requirement here. Then a special program called the special program called monitor that manages the execution of each program in the batch. Don't forget, monitor is the special program that manages the execution of each program in the batch. And moreover, the monitor is always in the main memory and available for execution also. Here, where is the monitor in the diagram means here. So the monitor special place where it will be added here. So monitor will be here. Understand purpose? I'm showing here. Yeah. Okay, so you have to remember batch means what? Punch card. Batch is the one previous one where it is having slow process and just do the program. Okay, with the help of CPU, it take much time also. These are about batch operating system. So any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.